Hello everyone, welcome back to Web Technology Funda. So today we will see how to install Magento 2.3.1 on a Windows system using the XAMPP server. So before that, I just want to tell you about the Magento 2, some introduction about the Magento 2 and the system requirements. So Magento 2 is mainly supported the Linux operating system like Linux, RedHat, and CentOS, Ubuntu, Debian, and similar types of Linux distributions. But Magento 2 is not supported by Windows operating system and Mac operating system due to security reasons. However, we can still install Magento 2 on the Windows machine using XAMPP tool, but we must fix some known errors after installation of Magento on Windows system.
Your one subscription is very important for me to grow my channel, so do subscribe. Thank you.
So let's see the Magento 2 minimum system requirements. So as you can see in the screen, it required the Apache 2.2 or 2.4 version or NGiNX 1.x plus, then PHP 7.1.3 or later, and MySQL 5.6 or 5.7. Also supported MySQL NDB cluster 7.4, MariaDB 10.0, 10.1, 10.2, and Percona 5.7. So memory requirement, it is recommended to use minimum 2 GB of RAM of system to work smoothly. For more detail, you can use this, check out this link. I will provide this in the description. There are other setup requirement to improve the performance, which is the optional things. We can use that to improve the site performance, like Varnish cache, Redis, RabbitMQ, Solr, and Elastic. We can use these features to improve the site performance. Let's talk about the Magento resources. So we can download the code from Composer itself or from zip file. So Composer, it is a package or a package manager for PHP. It required for developer who want to contribute to the Magento 2 code base or develop Magento extensions. Those people can use the Composer. Otherwise, we can download the zip file from the Magento website. So we will use this second technique to install the Magento. So let's download. Let's first download XAMPP and Magento 2.3.1 version from the below links. So let me click on this. So you can download XAMPP which fulfill our requirements. So you can see here all the configurations, and then you can download. I already downloaded that in my folder. So also I downloaded Magento from this section. So if you want to download the zip file, click on here. It will ask for to log in. So you need to provide email ID and password. If you don't have account, then you have to sign up for this, and then you can log in and download. So I already downloaded XAMPP and Magento 2.3.1 version. So first you need to set up XAMPP server. So you just, let me show you. You just need to click on setup. Okay. So as I already installed this XAMPP on my system, so I'm not going to install this again. So you can just click the buttons, follow the buttons, and you can easily install the XAMPP on your system. Just keep the default setting while installation and click on the next. It will install. So as I am already installed this XAMPP on my system, so I can't reinstall it again. So okay, you can continue with this setup. So once you done with the XAMPP setup, then we can start with the Magento. So as I already downloaded a zip file of Magento, I extracted this Magento into a folder, and this is the all code of Magento. So we can copy all this code from here. Okay, let me copy this code, and then we have to put this into this path XAMPP stock, which is a root folder. We have created a folder here, Magento 2. Inside that we will paste that code. So just make sure to paste the code, all the directories and files from Magento 2 folders. So it will take some time. Let me pause for a few seconds. Okay, so now we have extracted all the Magento code into our htdocs Magento 2 directory, which is our root of XAMPP server. So we have done a step 2 now. Step 3 is enable following required PHP extensions in XAMPP PHP php.inl file. So, okay, so search above extension in php.inl file and remove starting semicolon from that line to enable it if it already not enabled, and save file. Okay, so all this extension I already enabled by removing the semicolon. So step 4 is create a virtual host for our website. So copy and paste host file on the desktop from this path, C Windows System 32 drivers etc host. If you don't have the administrator access on your system, otherwise you can directly edit that host file from that location. Now open that host file in any text editor or notepad and add following entry at the last and save. So let me open this host file. So just go to C drive, Windows System 32, drivers, etc host. Now copy modified host file into host file and paste into this same location to override the changes. So I did that changes, and now I save that file. Now we have to open CXAMPP Apache conf extra HTTP host file from this location. So let's go there. And we open this host file. We need to add this entry here. Server admin is local.magento.com. You can take anything here, but I am taking local.magento2.com, and the document root we have to set our project folder path here. Server name will be the same, we can take, and alias also same. So we will use this URL instead of localhost to access our website. Okay, let's save all the files. Now we have to start Apache and MySQL from the XAMPP control panel. So let's restart it. Stop. Start. Step 6. Create a new empty database with name Magento 2 from phpMyAdmin. So we can access phpMyAdmin from here as well, or from control panel. So click on database. The database name will be Magento 2, and click on create button. It will create Magento 2 database with the username root and password blank, which is a default. Now step 7 is access this URL local.magento2.com to install and configure the Magento 2. So let me copy this. We are using this URL because we have created a virtual host for this instead of localhost. Okay, so now Magento installation process has been started. So we need to click on agree and set up Magento. Now click on next button. It will check all the configurations. If everything is okay, then we can click on next button to go ahead. So it check PHP version, PHP setting, and all the extensions, file permissions. So it looks good. Now step 2 is add a database. So database name is Magento 2. The host will be localhost, and database username will be root, as I said, and password will be blank. Database name will be Magento 2, and we can skip the table prefix for now. Let's click on next button. So this is step 3 is web configuration. So our store URL will be this, and admin URL will be this. We can remove this and add anything here, but I will keep as it is for now. For security purpose, we can make admin URL as unique. So let's click on next button. Step 4 is customize your store. So we can change the time zone, currency, and language here. So I will keep as it is for now. Then we can create an admin account. So admin username will be admin. Email address will be my email address. And password. Make sure to add a strong password here and click on next one. So that's it. Now we are ready to install. Click on install button. It will take few minutes to to complete all the installation process here, and then we will get front end and admin URL information. So I'm pausing this for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it almost took 4 to 5 minutes to complete the installation, and we are now on this page, success page. So all the details we have here, or store, this is our store address, Magento admin address, and this is our encryption key, this is our database info. So by clicking this, we can visit our store and admin store. So it is loading now. So step C is like we need to set a developer mode if we are working on that application. So go to app etc and open env.php file, and we need to do some changes here. So we need to change default to developer. So let me do that. And inside stdoc, we have project folder, app etc env.php. So here we have image mode, which is default now, so we can make it as a developer. Let me copy that here. So it is a good practice to make a mode as a developer for development purpose. Click on save button. Now we need to flush the cache, so we can do it from admin or from folder as well. So let me go to var cache. So let me delete this folder, which cache. Okay, and then with the cache flush, we can also use the command prompt to set the developer mode. So there are 4 type of modes available in Magento 2, like default, developer, production, and maintenance. So there are some difference between these modes. So if you talk about these topics like error and exception displays in developer mode, not in all other modes. So page cache debug information is displayed in developer modes, not in other modes. Config file validation is done in developer modes. Caching is enabled in default mode and production mode, not in developer and maintenance mode. Prevent access to a Magento site in maintenance mode. And as discussed at the starting of our article, there are some known Windows system issue. We have to fix that after installation. So if our page loaded, yeah. So this is our front end, and this was back end. We are getting blank here in the admin, and front end also we are not getting the proper UI. That means we are getting some error. So as we enable the developer mode, we need to reload that so that we can get the errors on the front end. So getting this error now, which is related to validator exceptions, invalid template. So how to fix this error, I already mentioned in my blog. So to fix this error, so reason is behind this error, Windows uses backward slash as a separator array, and the array directory is content entry with the forward slash. So as separators, so the check which will always fails. So therefore we are getting this error. So to fix this error, we have to open this file from this location. Magento framework view element template file. This is the location, and we have to open this file now. So replace below code in is path in directories function. So let me find out this function first. Okay, so this is the function. Now we have to replace this code with this line. So let me comment this, add this code here. Okay, so that's it. We have resolved that issue. Let me clear cache. You can also clear cache from command prompt if you want. So let's see again if our site working or not. Let's reload admin panel as well. Okay, so our website is working now. This is our admin. Let me log into admin. Okay, so the second error is after installation image and icon missing issue on the front-end admin side. So as you can see, we cannot see the images and icons here. In admin as well, we can't see the images and icon. Let me wait to load this page. You can see here in admin side also we are not able to see icons. So how to fix this? Let's follow our tutorial again. So search and replace the keyword materialization strategy symlink with this keyword. We have to replace the symlink with the copy in this file. So let's first open this file from this directory. We have to open this di.xml file from this directory path. So open this di.xml file. Search for this keyword. So this is the Windows issue. We just need to replace this symlink with the copy and click on save button. Now clear the cache again and reload our front end page. Now the images and icon should be displayed here on front end as well as from admin as well. So let's reload it. Yes, so all the icons now displaying on admin as well. So that was regarding the Magento 2.3.1 installation on Windows Server using XAMPP. There are some general instructions for developer. Set developer mode always on development server. Enable error reporting in php.ini file. We can enable these attributes. Display error on error reporting _all_strict. If the UI issue are there, then check the error in the console and check the logs. So these are some general instructions for the developer which we can follow and debug the errors. So please like and subscribe this channel, because your one subscription is very important to grow my channel. So please subscribe. Thank you very much.